If you want to install the operating system without pen drive, so this is the perfect video for you. So maybe you don't have a pen drive, or you don't want to use the pen drive for the installation. So in this video we will show you how you can do that, but you should have a running operating system on your machine. So what you have to do, just go to Google, and then over here you have to search Windows 11 download. First URL you have to open. This is the official method, so don't worry. If you see here, 2-3 options are here to download the operating system or create a bootable media. So the last option we will use, that is this ISO option. Okay, you can choose this option, and as per your requirement you can do it, but for this particular method we will use the last option. Okay, so scroll down, and over here you will see a drop down, okay, under this option. So you have to click on this drop down and select Windows 11 multiple edition, this option, and then click on confirm. Okay, once you click on confirm, it will take some time. Make sure you have a good internet speed. Then you have to select the language from here. So let me select it. Then we will click on confirm, and again this will take some time. Make sure you have a good internet speed, or else it will take huge time to download the ISO. Or if you have already ISO, you can use that. Just click on a 64-bit download, and it will immediately start the downloading. So I already have a setup file downloaded, so I will use that, and I will cancel this current one. So let's see how we can do that. So it is downloaded, and I have the setup file, the ISO file on desktop. So first we have to mount this ISO. Just right click on the file and click on mount. So this will directly open, or else you can come inside the C drive, and then you can open from here, and you will see this setup file at the bottom. So just double click on this file and click on yes. Then it will start the installation. For this particular video shoot I have used 2 machines, so don't be confused. Okay, so from here you have to uncheck this box, because it will take huge time. It will check all the latest update and all. So from here you have to select the second option, okay, or else it will download the latest patch and all. Okay, so just select the second option and click on next, and then it will again take some time. I will fast forward this video because I don't want to waste your time. You can just follow the steps, but I will not miss any steps. Okay, so just click on next, and you will see this option over here, and just click on here, and then from here you can select all 3 options. If you want to keep your data, or if you want to keep the application, you can select that, but I recommend that you select the third option, so that it will clearly reimage your laptop or desktop. It will completely format the machine, so that you will have a good speed after installation. So if you want to keep the data, you can, but my suggestion, you take the data backup and select the third option, so that once the installation is done, you can restore the data. Okay, and you will see a good performance on the laptop. Okay, so it will restart 2-3 times. Maybe you know the installation process. Okay, and one more most important feature I will tell you, okay, in few minutes. Okay, so stay tuned. So once you are here, you just select the region, then language, keyboard language, and then click on next. Okay, and then click on skip here, and now you are here. If you see, if you are not using Rofus or any other application, so you will see once you connect the network, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. But if you want to skip that, okay, if you use Rofus, you will see an option here, but it is not coming. So what you have to do is just press Shift F10 or FN Shift F10. Then you have to type this command over here. I will paste this in the description also, or you can pause the video and type it manually. Then a machine will restart. Okay, and then again the entire process will start again. The region and all we have to select. So as you can see, it is started again, and we have to select the region, then language, then skip. And again, if you see here, now we have one more option, that is I don't have a this option. Okay, so just click here. Earlier it was not there, now it is showing. So okay, so click here, and then it will ask you to create a local account instead of login with a Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can continue with that, or else you can use this and create a local account and install the operating system. Okay, so if you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comments. And once the installation is done, you can check for new updates. And if you want, you can click on advanced option and then install the required driver from there. Okay, and my session, you select all, turn on all 4 options, and then under advanced, you will see if you driver update, those also you can update. So if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.